So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Carnival Corporation put options in Canada, ticker symbol CCL here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go into your account. So for me, it's going to be my non-registered account. Go to this bottom bar right here. Now there's 4 different options, and just simply press on the magnifying glass or the search bar. Now once you're here, go to the top and press on the search bar and type in ticker symbol CCL for the Carnival Corporation. Now a whole bunch of different options right here, but what you want is just ticker symbol CCL, Carnival Corporation, where it says options, press on that, a part of the New York Stock Exchange. Now to go to the bottom here, press on buy and then press on options. Now, if you wanted to buy Carnival Corporation put options, make sure that at the top here it says, I believe that CCL will rise by. Go ahead and press on rise and change that to where it says put option right here, which will then change it to where it says fall. So go ahead and press on put option. Now it should say CCL should fall by, or will fall by September 29th. So if you want to go ahead and change the expiry date, press on the date right here, and then select whatever date that you wish to buy or wish to have the option expire on. So we'll just keep it at September 29th for demonstration purposes. Now what you can either do is go in the money right here, so a bunch of different options right here, or go out of the money, a bunch of different options right here as well. So if you wanted to go out of the money, for example, $13 USD, we'll go ahead and press on this. And to finalize this purchase, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Carnival Corporation put options in Canada, ticker symbol CCL here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.